Minsan nauubusan tayo ng idea kung paano prepare yung ating tofu. Kaya today, gagawa tayo ng something very flavorful, ang tofu steaks with chimichurri sauce, Simpol. So, eto meron tayong tofu or tokwa na firm tofu and I cut it into that size. Kasi mo malaking tofu na ganyan, hiwa natin ng 5. And very simple ang aking marinade. I am just adding some soy sauce. Ito, pangdagdag umami kasi we don't want our food to be bland. Gusto doon natin, kahit nagda-diet tayo or we make healthier choices or ethical choices, we still want our food to be delicious. Yan. Kaya ito, papasarapin natin yung ating ginagawang tofu today. And a little bit combination, sobrang simple lang, no? Soy sauce and lemon juice or calamansi. But ito yung ating tofu. Earlier, press down ko siya ng aking paper napkins para mag-absorb yung excess natin na tubig. And now, ito, I will just allow my tofu to soak up the goodness of our soy sauce. Konting umami. It will also give it a nice color. Kasi di ba gusto natin parang steak, yun ang gagawin natin. So, marinate na ng konti. Ikot, absorb. Kasi sometimes tofu can be bland. Ayaw natin ng bland. Gusto nating flavorful. And it's a very quick recipe you can do at home. Nagmamadali ka. Wala ka masyadong time. So we will just season our harina. Yan. Salt. Dapat may salt. Just a little salt. Pepper. I'll add a little bit of paprika. Para mas masarap siya, you use smoked paprika. Kung wala ka namang smoked paprika, regular paprika will do. Ito, Italian seasoning. Di ba, mga herbs natin sa bahay na hindi natin nagagamit. Ito, a little bit of kick. Chili flakes. And my grill pan is ready. And ito siya, maganda kasi siya na recipe because hindi tayo gagamit ng sobrang daming oil kasi ang daming recipes ng tofu or tokwa na nagdi-deep fry. Ito siya, pan grill lang siya, no? Yan. May lasa siya na konti. You can marinate your tofu even overnight, no? Better siya. Yan. And we're ready to grill. And oil, not too much, no? Spread, we just don't want it to stick to the pan. Smoking hot. And now, we will pan grill our tofu. Sobrang dali lang ng ating tofu steaks, no? But hindi natin mamadaliin kasi we want that slightly charred portions of our tofu kasi yun ang nagbibigay ng konting sarap, no? At dagdag linamnam. And while I am cooking and preparing and pan grilling my tofu steaks, I will make my chimichurri sauce, which is so simple to do. Very nice. And what I do now, I have my garlic, bawang, and my parsley, fresh parsley. Yan. Sasabay ko na siya dito. Yan. And I am using rock salt. No? So you need to use rock salt kasi yung roughness ng ating rock salt will help us blend everything together. No? Medyo abrasive kasi yung rock salt. And when we pound it, mas madali siyang ma-pound and blend into a paste. No? How's our tofu steak? O, diba? Tofu lang siya, pero ang bango niya, amoy barbecue, amoy steak. So ito, very simple, straightforward, basic chimichurri. But you can also make it fancier. So it is like a pesto, no? Similar to pesto. Pero ito siya is more South American. Latin American to na condiment, no? Use it for your steaks, barbecues, even for your vegetables. Just turning it around to blend everything. Look at that. Oh, almost very fine. And now we will combine our lemon juice. Dapat yung zest ito, sinama natin, pero hindi na muna. Let's just squeeze half a lemon. And dapat walang seeds. And babalik rin ko muna tong aking tofu. 1, 2, ready. Very nice crust yung ato. Oh, look at that. Diba? Happy, diba? Napaka-simple lang. Add a little bit of black pepper. And now I will add, ito, little by little, my olive oil. Blend, 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 blend. So ito, garlicky, taste of herbs, no? The parsley. You can add cilantro. You can add capers. Ito, very basic lang tong ginagawa ko. And I want to add a little bit of, ito, konting chili flakes. Look at that now. Very nice paste. Green paste. And our tofu steaks are done. And, the tofu steaks. Diba? Ang oil natin siguro ginamit dito, mga a little bit more than a tablespoon. Not too much. Kakaiba siya kasi usually pag tofu, automatic ginagawa natin Chinese recipe, di ba? Asian recipe. So whenever you're ready to serve, all you have to do is to drizzle your chimichurri sauce. And it's so nice, this recipe, because even if you've chosen to become vegan or vegetarian, it's still so flavorful and you don't feel deprived, diba? And let's add our chimichurri sauce to the middle. Looks so fancy, diba? Parang ang social niya. Actually, ang mura lang, diba? How much did you spend for this? Sobrang konti lang ng ginastos mo. You have your daily requirement of protein. And ito, titikman ko muna yung ating tofu steaks. Let's see if I am satisfied kasi I'm such a meat eater. Pero tignan natin kung pwede na ba itong substitute for today. And, di ba, naka fork and knife talaga. Kasi steak eh, di ba? In my mind, I'm eating steak. And let me taste. Are you ready? Ako, ready na ako. Oh, steaming hot. Init pa, oh. Nice! Sobrang sarap. Kaya try this recipe at home. Especially for those who want to become healthier, like me. Ating tofu steaks with chimichurri sauce. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!